my standing work desk. I am able to get so much work done. Whether I want to sit down or whether I want to stand, I am able to do it all from this one desk. It has a lock button here on the front, and so if I hold it down for 3 seconds, it unlocks, and I am able to lower the desk. So when I need to rest and I need to sit down and be able to work, I can lower it down and get it to the height that I need, which is also great if my kids are in here doing homework. We can lower it to their level. But when I'm ready to stand up, all I've got to do is raise it and I can get it to the height that I need. In the back side of each corner is a place where my cords come up. So I'm able to organize my cords. I can plug in my printer, my computer, whatever it is, and it all stays nice and neat. It's got a spot right here, and so I can keep my pins in there. Everything's nicely organized, and it's got a pull-out drawer so I can keep anything else that I need. On the right-hand side is a hook, so I can hang any tools here, or I can even hang my purse, backpack, anything like that. So for me, this desk has been a great addition, and I hope you found the review helpful.